Hi, I'm Mark. Welcome back to Unlock English. In this video, I want to help you sound more natural in English. Not with grammar rules, not with long explanations, just simple corrections that make a big difference. Let's begin. Stop saying this. I'm fine. This is not wrong, but it sounds very flat and very textbook. Say this instead. I'm doing well. I'm pretty good. I'm okay. These sound more natural. Next one. Stop saying this. I didn't understand. Again, not wrong, but it sounds stiff. Say this instead. I didn't quite get that. I'm not sure I understand. Next. Stop saying this. I want information. This sounds very direct, almost robotic. Say this instead. I'm looking for some information. I was wondering if you could help me. Next. Stop saying this. It is very delicious. Grammatically correct, but unnatural. Say this instead. It's really good. It tastes great. Next. Stop saying this. I have a problem. This sounds heavy. Say this instead. I need some help. I have a small issue. Next. Stop saying this. I will contact you. Very formal. Say this instead. I'll get in touch. I'll message you. Next. Stop saying this. I am agree. This is incorrect. Say this instead. I agree. I agree with you. Next. Stop saying this. I explained you. Incorrect structure. Say this instead. I explained it to you. Next. Stop saying this. Yesterday night. Direct translation. Say this instead. Last night. Next. Stop saying this. I am boring. Wrong meaning. Say this instead. I'm bored. This is boring. Next. Stop saying this. I did a mistake. Common error. Say this instead. I made a mistake. Next. Stop saying this. I have 25 years. Incorrect in English. Say this instead. I'm 25 years old. Next. Stop saying this. I'm waiting you. Incorrect form. Say this instead. I'm waiting for you. Next. Stop saying this. I suggested him. Wrong structure. Say this instead. I suggested it to him. Next. Stop saying this. I'm very tired today. Not wrong, but repetitive. Say this instead. I'm exhausted. I'm really worn out. Next. Stop saying this. I will go to home. Incorrect. Say this instead. I'll go home. Next. Stop saying this. I came back to home. Incorrect. Say this instead. I came back home. Next. Stop saying this. I look forward to see you. Wrong verb form. Say this instead. I look forward to seeing you. Next. Stop saying this. More better. Incorrect. Say this instead. Better. Next. Stop saying this. Less people. Wrong word. Say this instead. Fewer people. Next. Stop saying this. I'm interested in this. Wrong adjective. Say this instead. I'm interested in this. Next. Stop saying this. I did nothing special. Sounds defensive. Say this instead. Nothing special. Not much. Next. Stop saying this. I think so much. Unnatural. Say this instead. I think a lot. Next. Stop saying this. I'll explain you later. Wrong structure. Say this instead. I'll explain it to you later. Next, stop saying this. I'm very agree. Incorrect. Say this instead. I totally agree. Next, stop saying this. I'm using glasses. Unnatural. Say this instead. I wear glasses. Next, stop saying this. I didn't slept well. Wrong tense. Say this instead. I didn't sleep well. Next, stop saying this. I'm going to discuss about it. Extra word. Say this instead. I'm going to discuss it. Next, stop saying this. I have many works. Incorrect noun. Say this instead. I have a lot of work. Next, stop saying this. I'll take a decision. Wrong verb. Say this instead. I'll make a decision. Next, stop saying this. I did a party. Incorrect. Say this instead. I had a party. Next, stop saying this. She explained me the problem. Incorrect structure. Say this instead. She explained the problem to me. Next, stop saying this. I'm waiting for your answer from long time. Unnatural phrasing. Say this instead. I've been waiting for your answer for a long time. Next, stop saying this. I'm very busy now. Not wrong, but common. Say this instead. I'm tied up right now. Next, stop saying this. I will inform you. Formal tone. Say this instead. I'll let you know. Next, stop saying this. I'm not feeling well since morning. Unnatural time phrase. Say this instead. I haven't felt well since this morning. Last one. Stop saying this. I did my best possible. Redundant. Say this instead. I did my best. If you want to sound natural in English, don't translate in your head. Listen to real English. Notice patterns and copy them. That's how fluency starts. I'll see you in the next video, right here on Unlock English.